got a 2013 Ford Edge. Problem on this is the sunroof. Right now I'm checking the fuses. This one here, you want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one here. You see the sunroof. I've already found that it was shorted and replaced it. Thought that'll fix it, but no. Then I went down here on the kick panel, and down here there's a fuse box, as you can see. And right next to that relay is a 15 amp. That also powers the sunroof. Well, that's okay. No problem there. So I went back here and I had to take the rubber trim out, and then pop this side panel a little bit down. This plug is where your power is at, and I've already went into my diagram here and I checked the power, and I found that the power, the constant, then 12 volt power, and also the grounds are fine. And now I'm just checking my switch. Stay tuned. Okay, now on this plug I got my pins on the proper wire. That proper wire would be pin 4 and 2. Pin 2 is the switch which opens, and then pin 4 is a switch that closes. So I'm going to go on over here to see if it sends a ground. This circuit sends a ground. So, okay, I got my probe on there, and this is running all the way back there to the pin I just showed you, pin 4 and 2. So right now I'm going to go and hit the switch to close. As you can see, it's shooting out a ground, and that's it there. Okay, and then vice versa, going on to the next one, I'm going to hit the switch now to open the sunroof. So it's throwing out a ground. That tells me the switch is fine. And as I said, I got my ground, my constant ground, accessory ground, and also my close and open. That determines that the motor sunroof is bad, something's going on in there, and that's going to have to all come down. Okay, over now.